Welcome to Nature with a Message. This video was captured in front of our home in Kerala. This is a chameleon which camouflages to escape from its predators. Later in this video, you can see that it tried its level best to avoid movement even when a black ant climbed on its body. The ant irritated the chameleon. Still, it kept its calm. Let us reduce our movements all these days so that we will not be affected by the coronavirus. One more thing. Isn't everything God created beautiful? Subscribe us for more videos. Click on the above links for more nature-oriented videos. Thank you.